In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive your Notion Teamspace. Archiving a Teamspace in Notion can be a very useful feature when you want to maintain a clean and organized workspace without permanently deleting important information. Whether your team has wrapped up a project or you're simply looking to declutter, archiving can help you achieve a more streamlined digital space. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can easily archive your Teamspace. First, you'll want to open Notion and navigate to the specific Teamspace you wish to archive. In the sidebar on your left, you'll see a list of all the available Teamspaces. Select the one you want to archive by clicking on it. This will bring up the main page of the Teamspace, where all its content resides. Take a moment to review the contents and make sure it's the correct Teamspace you're planning to archive, as this action will change its accessibility within your Notion workspace. Once you have verified the Teamspace, you need to look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you will find a set of 3 vertically aligned dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. It will open up a drop-down menu with various options related to the management and settings of your Teamspace. These options are essential for making any adjustments or changes without directly modifying the content. After you've opened the drop-down menu, you should see an option labeled Archive Teamspace. Select this option. When you click on Archive Teamspace, Notion will start the archiving process. Don't worry, archiving doesn't mean deleting. It simply means moving the Teamspace to an archived section where it won't clutter your main workspace. This makes it ideal for when you want to keep older projects on hand for reference without them being front and center in your active workspace. Now, as a tip, before you finalize the archiving, it's a good idea to double check that there are no pending tasks or important notes that the team might still need. Remember, although the Teamspace can be unarchived, having to go back and forth can disrupt workflow. Thus, ensuring everything is wrapped up before archiving streamlines the process. Once you've confirmed everything is in order, the Teamspace will be archived. You can always access archived Teamspaces by navigating to the Archived section in your sidebar, which allows you to revisit the work without pulling it back into active view. So there you have it. A simple and effective way to archive a Teamspace in Notion, keeping your digital workspace organized and efficient. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and you feel more confident in managing your Notion workspace. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep your workspace clean and clutter-free for optimal productivity.